What's up guys, here we are in a new video. On this video I'm going to tell you 5 good hacks to do if you have 0 to 500 subscribers and above. These are very good hacks that will get your channel growing in no time. So let's get started. I'm going to explain this step by step so that all the upcoming YouTubers will understand what I mean. At first, it's branding. Whenever someone wants to buy your product, you have to make it look as good as possible, and especially from the outside, so that it will attract a lot of customers. And many people buy things because of the box looks so good or the wrapper. Now we are talking about channel customization. When naming your channel, think carefully of the words and names that make sense. Secondly, make sure you are the only one with that name on YouTube, so that when people search your channel, they will find it at the top. For example, if you search Tech Zone both on your computer and your mobile, my channel comes first. This channel name is Tech Zone, but we have to amend it to Tech Zone because there are a lot of Tech Zone on YouTube, and that's very challenging. I would advise you, when naming a channel, don't use those popular words. You can even use your name. If you want to name your channel, search that name first on YouTube, then make some amendments to the name to make it better. The second thing when it comes to channel customization is your profile. Some put their picture, some their channel logo, but you have to put a picture related to the channel's name. For example, if the name of the channel is Delicious Cookie Recipes, you can't put a picture of a cow. But if the channel name is your name, you can probably put your picture. About channel banner. Banner is a picture you put at the top of your channel, briefly showing and explain what the channel is all about. Here is mine. Subscribe for a cookie. You have to put something of a very high quality, something that makes sense, and something that will make people subscribe to the channel, even though that's not a big reason. And putting channel banner make your channel look much better. There are these 2 things which I want to tell you. They are very important. Videos showed to new viewers when they visit your channel, and videos showed to returning subscribers or viewers. These are 2 different things. Choose your best and interesting video and then set it to be shown to new viewers coming to your channel. And if they enjoyed the video, they might subscribe to your channel. And then you should also select a good video so that it will be shown to your returning viewers and subscribers. Seriously, the video you choose to be shown to new viewers coming to your channel can get you a lot of subscribers, because that's working for me, especially if you're having good title, good thumbnail, and if the video is very interesting. And now about the channel. This is where you write short note about the channel. For example, this channel uploads cartoon every week, so subscribe so you won't miss. See, you have talked about the channel and what the channel does, and then when does it upload. You should also include your social media profiles link so that you can get more followers. And also you should include an email for business inquiries in case for sponsorships and so on. Most importantly, uploading consistently. Make sure you always upload videos so that your channel will grow. Upload at least 70 videos per year. And if you aren't uploading, the subscribers you already have will unsubscribe because you are not giving them videos to watch. Now we're going to talk about the video duration. A lot of people have been asking, short videos or long videos, which are better? It's not your job to make long videos. Your work is to make videos that your audience will watch till end and they will enjoy it. Not a 7 minutes video that your viewers will exit after watching it for 1 minute. If you can check, almost all my videos are not long. They are all not more than 5 minutes. The reason why this video is long is because it has a lot of information to pass to you guys. Here comes retention. I've explained this, tell you what the retention does on a video uploaded earlier, so you can check out this tool on the channel. And I also told you how it helps grow your channel. Not just making a lot of videos. You have to make videos that will get you good retention so that YouTube will promote your videos, including very good shots about the device you are reviewing and explaining very deep about what you're saying will make your audience watch till end. As always, the creator who understands the viewer the best win. The next thing, most importantly, what makes people click on your videos are the titles and the thumbnails you have on the video. These 2 things are very important. You have to use high keywords so that people will click on your video. And you also have to learn how to use very interesting words. For example, instead of iPhone 13 review, it can be unbelievable things I experienced with the iPhone 13. That's much better. And don't make it long. You have to make it as shorter as possible. Some titles can be like questions. For example, can you spend 5 hours editing? If the video is about you spending 5 hours editing, not I spend 5 hours editing, because no one cares about you as a small creator. But for example, if Mr. Who is the Boss or MKBG uploaded that I spent 5 hours editing, you will see millions of views because they are big YouTubers already. So you have to know the titles you give to your videos. Now about thumbnails. Thumbnail is very important. Always make high quality thumbnails. Try as much as possible when making your thumbnails because that's the only thing that can bring viewers to your video. Also use text to express the video. Use contrast colors to catch your viewers' eyes, like yellow colors as backgrounds, blue, pink, orange, and much more. Whatever you're gonna do, just make your thumbnail look amazing. And the last thing, make sure your viewers watch your videos till end. Make the video entertaining and interesting. Don't make the video boring. And if your viewers watch the video till end, the YouTube algorithm will promote your video. I'll be teaching you how to make viewers watch your video till end on another video. So subscribe so you won't miss that one. This video up here explains us about viewers retention and audience retention, YouTube algorithm, YouTube SEO, and how to make YouTube promote your content. That's all for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.